In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Big Cartel. Whether you're considering adding more features to your online store or simply need a more robust plan, upgrading your Big Cartel account can be an easy and beneficial step. Let's dive into the process. First, make sure you're logged in and on your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where you can access all of your store's settings and tools. Once you're there, draw your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a menu. You'll want to click on the option labeled Account. This section holds all the key details related to your store's administrative settings, including your current plan and billing information. Now that you're viewing the account section, take a moment to find the Plan and Billing area. This is the place where you can manage your current subscription details. What you're looking for next is the button or link that says View Plans and Upgrade. Give that a click, and it will take you to an overview of the available subscription plans Big Cartel offers. Here, you'll see both monthly and annual payment options. Choosing between them depends on your business needs and the financial setup that works best for you. You might prefer the flexibility of a monthly plan, or perhaps the savings from an annual subscription will suit your budget better. As you review your options, you'll notice there are a few different plans to choose from: Gold, Platinum, and Diamond. Each comes with its own set of features tailored to different stages of business growth. Consider what your store needs, maybe additional products, more customization, or a greater focus on statistics and analytics. Take your time to compare and determine which plan best aligns with your goals. Ready to make the switch? Simply click the Upgrade button associated with your desired plan. Next, you'll need to enter your payment method. Big Cartel accepts various forms of payment, so input your details as prompted. And that's it. Once you've entered your payment information, just click Subscribe. You should receive confirmation that your upgrade has been processed, unlocking your new features. In summary, upgrading your Big Cartel plan is a straightforward process that can equip your store with powerful new tools and features, providing you with greater flexibility and growth potential. Thanks for watching.